Following the failure of the management and of the government to fulfill their 8 different demands, the employees of the GVK EMRI have decided to begin their agitation from the 4th of December this year. Speaking to the media, Srimati Ems Imli, the president of the GVK EMRI Employees Organization, said that the organization had previously made 37 various demands, which were then reduced to only 8, which are yet to be heeded to by the management of the GVK EMRI and the government as well. Their demands have been ignored summarily by both for the last 1 year. The 8 demands, as enumerated by them, are into remedy cuts in salary even during the pandemic, lack of manpower, lack of proper accommodation of staffs, lack of maintenance of ambulances, constant transfers of staffs. These have caused immense difficulties in providing quality service and care to the public. The organization has urged the government to take the 108 services directly under its wing and that it should do away with completely the practice of placing it under contract with any other company after the expiry of the present contract.
We haven't asked the management after we have come through with the talk that we had with the management on the 6th of on the 29th of November last year, 2019, and then we had a meeting with them. Then on the 6th of December we have stopped with our agitation, thinking that the management will fulfill as we have on our charter of demand. There are 36 charter of demand. So out of 36, so we have come down, we have decreased our demand for only 8 demands. But in this year 2020, so we haven't achieved all those demands. As for now, we are having around 8 demands: the transfer and posting, the manpower or and the reserve staff, working hours, working condition, the salary. As on that day, we have come to the office also to talk about the salary, but as per that the talk last year, that he said that we will be they'll be giving us 10%. So we have been, but this last week I think so we have come to the office and talk about with the head of state about our salary, but he said that this year we wouldn't be getting our increment, that 10% also, because of there's no funding. And then maintenance, for the maintenance of the ambulance, then safety to women staff, then the leave that we are not getting, like we've been suffering of getting leave also. Manpower. Then ambulance, that is the manpower, that falls under manpower, and ambulance and base condition, because there are many base condition. After going for after travel long distance to go for a duty and performing the duty, so they need to take rest. We need to take rest in our the base, but the living condition of our base, they are not good. So for that also, say that as this GVK, this company, the contract of this company will be end up on the 2021st of the 31st March of 2021. So we would like to, on behalf of all the union, I would like to say that we request the government not to privatize this this institute or this organization anymore, as it is it's an essential service, and we want that the government should stop of taking tender for the private company to come to our state. So we want the government itself to take over this service, as it is the essential service and it deals with the life and death of the people. So we just request the government to take over, and because we have been thinking for the public, that so that the service will not disrupt in the middle due to this pandemic time. So thinking about that, we haven't started with our agitation. So as for now, we just want to, as a union, we have come together to declare to the public that we'll be from the 4th of December, we'll be starting with our agitation.